Actually, I should give a little background about how I bumped into Dr. Hegde. I was doing a program, 2-day program for Sun Micro. The day when the workshop actually happened, my session got a little delayed and it coincided with Dr. Hegde starting his session. And I said, anyway it's delayed, so why not I hang around? And I will say the 2 hours that I spent listening to Dr. Hegde were the best investment of life I made in a long time, because he brought certain dimensions about inspired leadership which were very new to me, and it's all about understanding yourself at a much deeper level, and from that understanding to be able to relate to your colleagues, to the organization and to the world in a much more effective manner. See, I think increasingly the world is recognizing that a lot of the problems that we have are because of our inability to understand ourselves better at a deeper level. You know, if you look at even the management jargon and literature, initially, many years back, the whole thing was, it's enough to be intelligent and then you can be a good manager. Then people said that's only a very small part of it, you have to also be emotionally mature, and that's where this whole thing of EQ came. And after a long gap, then people say, well, that's not enough, you really have to know yourself at a much deeper level to be able to relate to your colleagues, to your organization and so on. And that's where the whole thing of SQ has come to the center stage, the whole thing of spiritual quotient. The sad thing is all these are known to India, and by the way, Arvind is not new to all this, because the entire founding was based on a very strong spiritual foundation by the founder. And in terms of your question of how permanent is this transformation, I think people are so busy these days that they don't even think that such a dimension is possible. In terms of follow-up, I think once people's curiosity is kindled, they would do whatever it takes to pursue this journey. And I believe the transformation is fairly permanent. But I'm fairly convinced that without understanding ourselves at a deeper level, we can't build sustainable great organizations. My general advice is just be open to receive the inputs, and you don't need to prepare anything else, just be absolutely open that there is a different dimension that we need to explore. Again, I'm saying in Arvind, it's possible that a lot of the senior management is already connected in the sense of understanding themselves at a deeper level. But nevertheless, investing a day is a small amount of time to spend on something which has the potential of a huge impact, both at a personal, organizational and societal level. So if we are talking about transforming organizations, carrying large numbers of people, once in a while being reminded of this aspect of our life is a worthwhile investment of time. So I think the key is basically to be absolutely open to receive the inputs.